This is an old ankle sprain.
It's true, over 10 years.
Yeah. AS Talus, medial tilt. What we're doing is we want to get a very specific contact. It's not just a general contact. So we're on the medial aspect of the dome of the talus, second, third digits. Superimpose the others. Dorsiflex, turn in, and it's a scoop. Pull and scoop with the lats. So I'm bringing it down, scoop. And the reason I'm using a little bit of the board here so we don't have a lot of pull.
Oh.
Nice. There's your 10-year-old ankle sprain, lady.